Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So, to get started, we're going to open up our settings, and in here, we're going to scroll all the way down to Advanced Settings, Reset Options, and in here, we'll be presented with several different things that will be removed, so the phone is just letting us know. So we have this action will delete all data in the internal storage device, including accounts, settings, whatever. Now, gonna just mention half of this doesn't actually matter. What matters is the music, photos, and user data. This is what you're gonna be putting on the device yourself, and it's data that is primarily unique to the device. Things like downloaded apps or system settings, stuff like that, don't matter at all, because that's everything that you can regain. So just make sure if you want preserve something of these three last points, that you make a copy of it. Now below we have the accounts that will be removed. Removed meaning only signed out of the device. You can obviously re-sign into them later on if you wish to. It's not actually deleting the accounts like it would lead you to believe. So I'm not going to be creating any kind of backup of this, so I'm going to jump straight to reset phone and get blocked because I need to have at least 30%. I'm going to try to circumvent this by plugging it in. Hopefully that will solve it. Excuse me, what is that noise? Come on. Let's just... Oh great, the fan is on. Okay, so that's what it was. Anyway, I'm gonna disregard the fact that the fan is on. Maybe I'm gonna turn it off. There we go. So let's see if that will help me. And apparently no. So I'm not able to actually reset the device right now just because of the battery percentage. But once you have more than 30% of your battery, you can just simply press on this, and then you will need to confirm it by pressing reset phone once more, and it will begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take roughly 1 to maybe 3 minutes tops to finish up, and once it's completed you'll be presented with Android setup screen, at which point you can set up your device in whatever way you want. So that's basically where I'm gonna leave it off. Unfortunately, I'm not able to go through this, like I mentioned, so sorry for that, but the process is very simple, so I'm pretty sure you can figure that out as you go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.